Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back again to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Take a second if you're new to the page and follow the instructions below. You see where it says hit the like, subscribe, and then that notification bell? Take a second and do that right now. Hey, we're a page of all ages and races. Today I'm going to talk about some things that I see in the stock market, and it also pertains to crypto. But in saying that, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I just want you to do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor, and make sure you don't fall for any spam in the comment section. Okay, good people? All right. At the end of this video, check out all my links. Let's get right into it. I'm going to look at what I see going on in the market. And I'm going to briefly at the end of this go over my $5 a day challenge. Okay, I'm going to do a weekly update. I'm going to try to be consistent on Mondays. Okay, at the end, towards the end of this video, there's going to be a video in a box in this upper left hand corner. It's going to explain everything about the $5 a day challenge, where we dollar cost average, which is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I just want to go over a few things. Number one, the Dow. Year to date, this year alone, the Dow is down 9%. Unbelievable. And 1/4, the Dow is down 9%. Ever since this year started, the entire stock market has been trending down. All right. This is how crazy the market is. You know, GameStop has a share in Bed Bath and Beyond now, right? And that caused the stock to go up this morning by 85%. Bed Bath and Beyond was up 85 by as much as 85% today in this market. That is ridiculous because of GameStop's involvement. It's crazy to think that on a day like today, when the entire market is being pulled underwater, that a company could be having returns like that. Okay, so it was a really big deal. I just want to bring that up. That bull has already ran. It's already starting to cool off. And what we don't do here is chase bulls. We don't. We don't FOMO. We never have fear of missing out. And we never panic sell. Okay, but here's what I have found, okay, to be interesting today. So you guys know how I was making a case that in the long run, actually the short long run, that these oil prices. So let me back up a minute. The biggest threat on the market today is oil. You know, you take your pick: interest rates, geopolitical situation, and rise of oil. So oil is plummeting the entire stock market. Gas prices are just spiking ridiculously. There's going to be a lot of gouging by gas station owners. It happens all the time. Gas prices is also a key indicator that inflation is out of control, right? But more importantly, that a recession is nearby. So that's one of the lead indicators, okay, that this could happen, meaning a recession. So that's why oil being over $130 a barrel is really spooking the entire market. But remember how I say in times like these, we always look for opportunity? Then I want you guys to look at this as it pertains to opportunity. Okay, so we look for opportunities, but I look for signs. Okay, let me bag this up. So what I've noticed is charging stations on a day like today, with everything being beat down, charging stations are actually doing well. That's a sign. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's look at ChargePoint. ChargePoint, as you can see here, is up by 11%. Okay, on a day like today, ChargePoint is on fire. 11%. Okay, up $1.67 on a day like today. There were other days when ChargePoint could have ran up. It had a right to run up off of good news, and it didn't. Remember how I said that this is going to be a case for EVs? Let's continue. All right. Look at EV Go. EV Go up 4.5% on a day like today, right? Just look at it. Boom. Let's look at Volta. Volta is up 1.19% on a day like today. And look at this, good people. Let's look at Lucid. Lucid is up 4% today. Fisker is up 1.25% today. I'm sorry. GGPI is up almost a full percent. Tesla's not doing good today, as you see. But all of the other ones were. And Tesla is going through a period where it's trading sideways. Stock that really exploded and took off, they go through periods like this where they trade sideways before they get their next leg up. All right? Always look for signals. In a time like this, why would all of these charging stations be up? Because I believe that people really want to get off the dependency of oil. Yes, I know there's a certain need of oil to even have the charging stations, okay? Because you got to plug those up, and what generates that energy. But if we had more electric vehicles on the road, it would lessen our demand for oil. And I just want you to know that we need to be looking forward. If you are not investing long term right now, looking out 5 years, and that's the video I was going to play for Kathy Woods, she was saying, and I agree with her, look for future technology, though I don't agree with every stock she picks in her portfolios. But we should be looking for the next 5 years. Everything you do should be based on 5 years of growth in your investing. I'm not talking about your swing trading, but your investing. All right, good people. Hey, let's briefly go over my $5 a day challenge, these portfolios, and then we're going to end after that. So this is the ETF portfolio. As you could see, I got VUG, VTI, VOO. You guys know all of the deals. So look at here. VUG, I'm down 7.5%. Look, negative 4.8, 3, 4.5. ARC, I'm down 9%, but that's okay. We're just going to continue to dollar cost averaging. And let's move to the next one. So we covered our ETFs, now our blue chip companies. All right. We got Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Apple. Let's just go over the overall. We can see today's losses down to 5.5, almost 1%. Google's down 2% today. Amazon down 3, Apple down 1, right? But here we go, negative 5. Nvidia down 11%, down 2 on Google, down 4. Amazon down 7. Apple down 4. Okay, 3.5. But remember, we're going to continue to buy during this red because eventually it's going to turn around and we are going to make profits off of this long-term sell buying, dollar cost averaging. And finally, we have growth. As you can see, Tilray, SoFi, Roblox, Palantir, Lucid, DraftKings, right? So on Tilray, we're actually up. On SoFi, we're down a little bit. Roblox, we're actually up. Palantir, we're actually up. Lucid, we're actually up. And DraftKings, we're down almost 5%. Okay, but let's look at Tilray. We're down 10% on Tilray, 9% on SoFi, 17% on Roblox. Okay, these are all of the ones that we started this at the beginning of the year. Remember, Lucid down 6, DraftKings down 8.63. Remember, I'm going to say this every week. The longer we keep buying these dips, dollar cost averaging and not going in, all of these will turn around and they will all be green. So if you're new and you saw that, you would say, doesn't that defeat the purpose? Well, no, we're buying through this bear market. Remember, there seems to be no bottom when you're going to a bear market. Just when you think it's the bottom, it drops down lower. So what do we do when we're building generational wealth as we continue to DCA, dollar cost average? We keep buying. I keep buying mine every week. Now, everybody's portfolio is not going to look the same because some people I'm doing $10 a day per stock now. I'm actually going in even heavier. I'm doubling. Some people could only afford $5 a day. Some people are putting in once a month. Some people are putting in once a week. Some people are literally doing it every day. So the numbers are going to vary. But what you're going to find out if you continue to do this, I'm doing this no less than 5 years, then you're going to see how all of this works and you will be on top. Time in the market always outweighs timing the market. Now it's the time to do what's tough to do, and that's to buy these red dips. But we're not dip buying. We are buying the same amount every week. So I'm going to try to show you guys this every Monday where I can show you my purchases on Friday. All right, good people, make sure you check out all the links below. I got a Webull link. Listen, they're giving up to over $5,000 now in 5 free stock if you just deposit $1, free Monday. All right, and then Coinbase beneath for those of you that want crypto. And as you can see crypto is not doing as bad as stock is. So I'm buying both. And some of my $5 a day challenge is in the crypto space. So remember, if you are new and you don't know what this is all about, watch this video in this box and we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.